Hello friends, welcome to Gadget Garage. Today I'm here to show you the unboxing of iPhone 13, the blue variant. So I ordered this product from Flipkart and that got delivered just few hours ago, and I thought I will unbox in front of you. So let's just unbox it. So upon unboxing you will get the iPhone 13 packet, and it is so small as the previous generation because they are not including the charger with the box. So this is how the blue variant looks like, the box of the blue variant looks like. So just let's just open it and see how the device looks like. So I'm just opening it up and let's see how it looks. Yes, it looks gorgeous, and yeah, the blue variant looks so colorful. So if you are having like a plan to purchase this iPhone 13, I think the blue variant is quite good. Let's peel off the sticker, and as per Apple, they haven't included any plastic things just to go eco-friendly. So this is how the back of the device looks, and in the box we have like the type C to lightning cable, and we don't have the adapter as usual, and we have the SIM ejector tool and the Apple sticker, one Apple sticker which they give. So now just try to turn on the device, and as you could see here, it's turning on and it's displaying the Apple logo, and then it comes the hello screen. So this is my first iPhone or iOS device, so I'll have to use it for a couple of days before I will post a dedicated review of this particular phone. So please stay tuned to our channel, and if you are new to this channel, please subscribe to our channel so that I will be posting a lot of iPhone 13 videos, as well as camera comparison with other Android device and other flagship device. So until next time we meet, bye bye.